Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what I have here? The January Glitz Glam Box. And I created this look with all the products in the Glitz Glam box for January. You like it? You like it? So I'm going to post a tutorial on that also. Guys, but first, you know what to do. There's a button. It says subscribe. You know you want to press it. Just press it. Press it. And subscribe. Guys, this is our second box already. I'm so excited. It's our second box and the first box of January. We went with blue just because it's bright, it's fun. It's like a peacocky kind of blue. Yeah, and the theme for this month is New Year, New You. Okay? So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into the box. So if you follow our Instagram, you saw that our first spoiler was Milante lashes. We were so excited to work with them. We brought you guys the this is the Milante lash in the style Allure. And it's very full, very glam. I am wearing it now. So we also included another brush. This is the dual-ended brush, so it's literally two brushes in one. I love the fibers. So let me just show you guys. Let me just cover this up so we can see. So this is this end. It's very big, very nice for covering your lid, or you can do concealer with this. And then this is a stipple like blending brush, so you can blend here. Also, you can use this for contouring. Honestly, you can use brushes for whatever you want, but we just love this, and we thought this dual-ended brush was such a good addition for January because you can basically have two brushes in one. So yeah, so we really like this. It's really big, and it's perfect. Like, you could even honestly could do foundation with this or concealer. Yeah. So, and I love the stippling on the end. So yeah, you can see there. Okay, so that's a good addition. Next, this was the fun part. We decided to do two variations of the box. So we had a pink variation and a gold variation. I am actually wearing the gold variation today because I was team gold and my sister Lauren, Goddess in Glasses, was team pink because she really liked the pink. But I wanted gold. I was like, come on, we need a little gold up in there. So yeah, we decided to let all the subscribers choose if they wanted to be team pink or team gold. So if you're team pink, you will get the pink variation. If you're team gold, you will get this variation. And I think it's kind of cute. What do you guys think? So I'll show you the gold one first since I'm wearing it. And yeah, let's get into it. So you will receive, for the gold variation, a lip liner, and this is in the shade. The shades are going to vary, but this one is in the shade Coffee. So it will be like a brownie kind of mauve-y color if you got the gold variation. So I'll swatch this. So it's very pigmented, as you can see. And also the gold lipstick. You will receive a gold lipstick. And this is what it looks like. It comes, oh, I love this packaging. It's so cute with the stars. And then, here we go. Let me just, oh, it's so pretty. I think this is so pretty for like darker skin tones like myself, because it's just like golden. It's like perfect. And this is the glitter. We used, this month we collabed with Texas House of Glitters. They contacted us and were like, are you guys interested in using this in the box? And we saw the shades and we just loved it. And we had originally seen them on the Tati video. And I just loved the glitters, so I wanted to bring them to you guys. So this is the shade Midland. This is the gold. Ooh, the gold variation. You can see here. take it out. And it's so pretty. It's like iridescent-y, goldy. And the crazy thing is, my sister Lauren actually liked this color of glitter, but I liked the gold lipstick. So I'm like, it was a collab. We did share. So this is the swatch of it, and I'm gonna put it next to this one here. You can see. So this is the glitter, and this is the gold variation here. So this is what I'm wearing here. I'm gonna show you guys the pink variation also. And it's crazy because I usually am like the queen of pink, but for some reason the gold just like spoke to me. So so you'll get a pink lip liner if you're team pink. So let's just do a lip liner swatch. I'm sure you probably know what lip liner looks like, but we're doing swatches anyway, so here we go. Oh, let me do it again. Wow, Chanel, why don't you do a worse swatch? There we go. So that's the lip liner swatch. And then this is the pink lipstick, which I think is so pretty. I've got to get like a little table here. Like I have a table, but it's like kind of far. So I gotta get it together. I don't know why. So this is the lipstick, and it's the pretty packaging again. And here we go. Oh, I love it. Honestly, I love both of them. They're both pretty. So this is the lipstick swatch. This is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty, and I love it like with the lip liner, because you can fill the lip liner in on your lip, and then just put the lipstick on top, or just line the outside like I did for this look. But yeah, it's, oh my god, it's so pretty. And this is the pressed glitter, and this is from Texas House of Glitters, and this is in the shade Tex-Mex. This is the shade I picked. So I mean, it's like just classic glamour pink, pretty in pink, and you literally just tap your finger in there. You don't even have to rub, just tap it. And here is the swatch. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I'm living for this month's box. The January box is like life to me. So here we go. These are the swatches. Team pink, team gold. So I think we actually got more votes for team gold, which was my team. So I win. But yeah, the pink is so pretty. Honestly, this is like so pretty. So we might do a month where we put 2 colors in. We'll see. But last month we gave the pressed glitter palette, so I was like, oh, I don't know if people want all that pressed glitter. So yeah, so stay tuned for our giveaway winner, which it should be announced before this. Well, I'm gonna post this January 1st. And then also the giveaway winner will be posted January 1st. There is still time to enter, I guess, before we do the giveaway on January 1st. So everyone, thank you so much for an awesome 2018. Here's looking forward to 2019. We started off with a bang. I think these are gorgeous, gorgeous products here. And you also get the lashes and the brush. So all that for only $15 a month. Yeah, and we give out palettes, we give out all types of stuff. Our holiday box is still on sale on the site at GLITZGlambox.com. It's still on sale there. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, follow us on YouTube, follow us on everything, and you can subscribe for the box. I'll put the link down in the description box. Till the next video, bye.